About this item: diverse compatibility, replacement for Sony models that use batteries such as Sony NP-F750, 570, 750, 770, 930, 950, FM55H, FM500H, QM71, QM91, QM71D, Neewer LED video light, Neewer camera monitor. Capacity, 7.4V, 5600 mAh/41.4 Wh. Rechargeable Li-ion battery with premium cell for longer autonomy without memory effect. Provides sufficient power for your flash lighting or other equipment on location. Never miss that perfect shot or unmissable moment. Rapid micro USB battery charger, quick charge with automatic constant current control. It can charge 2 batteries simultaneously thanks to the 5V/2.1A input. Smart LED indicator light to show the current charging status of each battery. Intelligent protection system, MCU control, automatically identifies the voltage of the battery to prevent it from overcharging, over-discharge, overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and electric shock. Package includes 2. Replacement NP-F750 battery, 5600 mAh, 1. Fast dual charger, 1. Micro USB power cord. Note: camera and other accessories